Well, I'm super excited that Crash Course is now back into physics after that math, which is, very important math, but it's also great to be coming back home. I wanted to share with you one of the coolest gifts that I've ever gotten. It's actually a flower pot, and my students from last year finger painted their thumbs. I guess they thumb painted their thumbs on here. There's even a kid who dropped it semester right there. Look at that. And then, yeah, wrote on it. And it's a flower pot, so it's very useful for holding flowers or Crayola markers, you know, whatever you've got. So I am so excited about the transition back into physics that I wrote you 6 problems today, and I'll tell you a little bit about the problems while you're reading the problems. I suppose you should pause each problem because I'm gonna go to the next problem pretty quickly. Anyway, the first problem is about urination. And they're all written in Garamond, which is a very, very fancy font, so I hope you enjoy it, but it's also really readable. The second problem is about conspicuous wealth. Why do we consume more than we need to consume just to make a mark? I don't know. Well, the third problem though, is about dead grandparents. And the fourth problem is about baseball. That's Shimmy's fault, really. Oh, that's not for you. You have to stay. The fifth problem is about vomit, at least I think, because ProBoy07 did not specify what the projectile was. But what kind of projectile is there besides projectile vomiting? Yes, indeed. And the sixth problem is about mating fish. It's a bonus problem because I think it's going to be very hard. By the way, does anybody know how to format around here? That's a ridiculous thing. Where are my editors? Now, mating fish is really important because you might like fish. I don't know. And without fish mating, you're just gonna have no fish. So the game is, as usual, you do these problems and you check with me if you're interested to see my solution to the problems. Those will be available in links right below the screen. Look, they're down there. I don't know how to do this. Great. Flower pots, and good night.